There's no point in acquiring more customers if your product sucks. We often call this the leaky bucket syndrome. So you can imagine like a bucket of water, and your acquisition is pouring more water into the bucket, and your churn is essentially a hole in the bottom of the bucket, and like customers are falling out the other end. When you have a leaking bucket, as in a big bloody hole in the bottom of your bucket, and customers are falling out the other end really, really quickly, there's no point in trying to optimize that top of the funnel. There's no point in just turning the hose up and putting more customers into that bucket, because they're just going to come out the other end. What you need to do is fix the leaking bucket. You need to plug that hole down the bottom. And that is exactly what Rory is talking about here.
In fact, I go a bit further and say the bottom of the funnel in many respects is the thing you have to optimize first. There's no point in spending money on advertising because you'll just introduce more people to a disappointing experience.
You're wasting money.
So you've got to get the back end. And I would argue the first thing, in theory, you should optimize, if you're being an absolute purist, is repeat purchase.